Hello guys, it's another beautiful day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future updates. So this week's analysis is going to be on the Euro USD, and the time frame for our analysis would be 4 hours. Before I get into this week's analysis, I would want to draw your attention to what's happening in the US economy. As you all know, the economy is suffering from inflation, high inflation rates, which has caused the Fed to increase the interest rates to combat the inflation that is happening in the US right now. And because of the increase in the interest rates, the dollar is having enough strength to trade in the foreign market. So if you must have noticed on our chart, I told you last week and the week before that we expect a lot of uncertainties, and that's because of the inflation and the subsequent increase of the interest rates by the Fed. So we were expecting the market to reverse from these points over here. We've been expecting a reversal after we got like the V formation here. We expected the market to test twice and take off, but it didn't. It had like 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 touches, which was already signifying another push to the downside. Because if you versed with your market momentum, you would see that even as the market was consolidating over here, the sellers still showed a lot of strength in the market. And what happened eventually was another push to the downside. So for this week, what we shall be expecting the market to do would be to take a move to test this level, and then we take another move back downwards. We don't expect the market to just make a move to the upside at this present moment because the US dollar, as I said before, it's so strong. So we would be expecting another move downwards to test this level. Why not create a lower low before we can think of a reversal? As at the moment, the market still shows sign of a downward movement. So for all the swing traders, like I told you last week, still you need to be on the sideline. This is not the moment for swing trading. If you are a day trader, if you are a scalper, you can get in and out as fast as you can to make money for yourself. But if you're a swing trader, you have to wait for that moment. You have to wait for that signal to get up, because the market would eventually reverse, but then we are still waiting. We are not certain when that will happen. And to give you a little insight on what you might be looking at, if we have a break below this, creating a lower low over here, we would expect for the market to come back up and close above this low over here. If the market should come back and close above this low, then we would be having our signal to buy. We don't expect all of this to happen in this upcoming week. I'm just saying this so for those of you who are swing traders, you should see that there is enough reason for you to still be on the sidelines. Okay guys? But nevertheless, if the market should push all the way to the upside and closes above this range over here, this consolidation phase over here, then we can be looking for our buys. Okay, so if the market should be able to go beyond this level within the course of the week, then we should be looking for our buys. Otherwise, we would be having a test at this level and eventually a move to the downside. So this is what we shall be expecting for this week, guys. I hope this has been insightful. You do your analysis, you listen to the news, and you should keep current. Don't just get into the trade because you feel like it. You should always have a reason for entering each and every trade. So with that, I'm going to leave you here for this week, and we shall be looking forward to another successful trading week for us all. And I will see you guys next week for another amazing content. Until then, take care of yourself and peace out.